1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, total of 36.
In this video, we're talking about a 36-piece Griddle accessory kit. This was provided to me by the brand, and this is a paid sponsored video. Stick around and you're gonna learn all the pieces that come with this griddle set. So the very first thing that you'll get is this silicone mat right here. You're gonna get 2 of these. These are, you put oil in it or other stuff that you squirt onto your griddle. The regular spatula right here, you move lots of stuff around with this thing. Then you get some tongs, so that's kind of nice. Also, you get this little fork thing. You get this thing right here, which you get to like chop stuff up and move it around as well. It's a little bit smaller. You get this spatula right here that you move lots of stuff around, and the holes right there, that helps get grease out. So if you're moving stuff with lots of grease, it will not be moving the grease around with it as much. Then you get this smaller spatula right there. You get this super large spatula for moving lots of stuff around. That's pretty awesome. And then you get this thing, I don't even know what this is called, just another kind of spatula. You get this big lid thing right here. This is how you're gonna like steam stuff. All right, you also get 1, 2, 3, 4 egg rings. 2 heart shaped and 2 round ones. You also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 S-hooks. You also get this thing. I don't know what this is, but it looks like you could move stuff around. You also get this chopper. Chop, chop, chop. You can chop all kinds of stuff with this thing. Slide it around on your griddle like you need to. And you get this press. Press it down pancakes or hamburgers or whatever. You can use this thing. Just press it on down. I'm gonna be a lot more careful with this one. This one is a knife and this one is plenty sharp. So be careful with that one. I'll just put that back in its little sheath right there. Okay, you get a baster brush right here. Baste your stuff. You get this sponge thing so you can clean stuff off. Check this out. And pull that off so that you can attach another sponge, which they give you 2 sponges. Okay, so you get that. And you get this other sponge. Wow, you also get the season shakers. You get 2 season shakers, so you can use salt and pepper, or if you have other spices you want to put in there, sure, just put them on in. That opens right up. You get an accessory bag, so you can put all their stuff inside the bag. So what you just saw was the 36-piece griddle set. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're interested, just go ahead and click that link and make that purchase. I do get a small commission whenever you make a purchase, so thank you for supporting this channel.